Oh, that's a tough question. The Mecalacs made the job site more efficient. It's eliminated the need for multiple pieces of equipment. You know, it's 2, 3, 4 pieces of equipment in one. It's cut down on labor costs because its efficiency and its ability to move material, get it into the hole. It's a compactor, forklift, skid steer, excavator in one. In the past, we would have multiple pieces of equipment on the job site to do each individual task. Now the Mecalac does that in one. Its versatility is definitely, the number one thing. I mean, the need to only have one piece of equipment on a job site and not multiple pieces of equipment has got to be the best. A simple skid steer has to move a lot and change angles in order to do what the Mecalac can do in a stationary position. And it's just made the whole job. There isn't a better machine for the cleanup on our projects. Innovative. It's got good lifting capacity for the size machine, for the weight, for its compact. You know, it's very compact, but it can lift very well. Nothing. I think some of the guys picked it up very easily. It takes a minute for these guys to get used to it, but once they get used to it, it's just like running another machine. You can do more than one. These other pieces of equipment are, very standardized. The Mecalac, you can run it in excavator controls as it's, operating as a skid steer. You can use your feet and your hands at the same time. Once these guys get it down, though, it's like riding a bike. The maintenance has been very simple. We've owned these pieces of equipment now for over 2,000 hours. We haven't had any major issues at all. Grease, changed the oil. It's held together excellent. They were open to it from the beginning, and we'd been following Mecalac along. So once we finally made the purchase and got a couple pieces of equipment on the job site, my guys were ready to jump in. Very excited. It didn't take too long for these guys to figure it out and make our day-to-day operations more efficient. No, we will not give up the Mecalacs. We're hoping to add some more to the fleet. It would replace a skid steer, a standard skid steer, and a mini excavator per se. We used to have, like I said before, we had excavators on a job site with a compactor on it. Having the MC10, for instance, we were able to put a compactor on that, and that eliminated the need for that extra piece of equipment. So that is a big deal because we have a lot of job sites going and there's a lot of needs for the particular piece of equipment. So if this one machine can take care of the skid steer mini compactor, then it's freed up pieces of equipment on another job somewhere else. Probably not. Mecalac? Mecalac.